Hi everyone, my name is Megan Stackhouse and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office here in Grand Junction, Colorado. And today we're going to be talking about the June 2018 climate summary across eastern Utah and western Colorado. So first off, you can see this picture is from the 416 wildfire, which is currently taking place in southwest Colorado. This fire began on June 1st and it's only continued to grow in the hot and dry conditions that we had in June. So jumping right in, we had smoky skies during the month from those wildfires, the 416 and the Burrow wildfire, which also started just to the west of the 416 fire. So you can see these webcam images from across the area. This is from June 2nd on Highway 550 near the San Juan National Forest with dense smoke occurring. And then just north of Durango on June 30th with that smoke continuing again. So as a result of those hot and dry conditions, that smoke easily settled into the valleys many times throughout the month. So something that doesn't typically happen in western Colorado, we had a tornado occur in Routt County on June 24th. This tornado was rated as an EF0 with maximum wind speeds of up to 65 miles an hour. We did have a little bit of damage with some damage to some trees and just some debris across the area. Thankfully, it was in the middle of nowhere pretty much, so we were okay. We also had triple-digit heat in response to those hot and dry conditions on June 13th, 21st, and the 26th through the 28th, with multiple sites hitting 100 degrees or more during those times. The first 100-degree temperature occurred at Grand Junction on June 13th, and the Moab Canyonlands Airport in Moab, Utah, hit triple-digit temperatures 5 times throughout the month. So it was definitely hot and dry for many areas. And looking at that precipitation, so across the area, generally things were below normal, although we did have some exceptions as we got a good bit of rain on June 17th and 18th across the southwest portion of Colorado, with the Cortez and Durango airports getting a good bit of rainfall during those 2 days. As a result, they ended the month above normal, with Cortez receiving 1.36 inches for the month, which was 0.88 inches above normal. The greatest deficit occurred at the Craig Airport in northwest Colorado with only 0.11 inches of rain for the month, which is over an inch below normal, 1.21 inches below normal to be exact. And you can see that both the Canyonlands and Burrow airports in eastern Utah only received a trace of rainfall for the month of June. Jumping into temperatures, as I mentioned, we had a lot of sites hitting 100-degree temperatures or more. Grand Junction's warmest temperature was 102, which occurred on the 26th and the 27th. And the warmest temperature across the area occurred at the Canyonlands Airport with 105 degrees on June 27th. The coldest temperature occurred at Craig, Colorado with 29 degrees on June 2nd. So with those hot and dry conditions, as you can expect, we still had the drought persisting across Colorado and Utah. So looking at the latest drought monitor, we had the exceptional D4, which is the highest state of the drought in the Four Corners region, and ranging from extreme to moderate drought for the rest of Colorado and Utah. And looking at the latest state of the drought, we are still expected, you can see, for the drought to remain, but conditions are expected to improve in southwest Colorado and southeast Utah in response to the start of the monsoon season. But otherwise, the drought is still expected to persist. Looking at the climate outlook for July 2018 from the Climate Prediction Center, we can see that odds are favoring warmer than normal temperatures in southwest Colorado and southeast Utah, with above normal precipitation for much of the southwestern United States, again in response to the start of the monsoon season. And that wraps up our June 2018 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. As always, thanks for tuning in and have a great day.